Hello, everybody. My name is Philipp Schulz. I'm a production system optimization engineer at OMV. What is OMV? OMV is an Austrian company which produces oil and gas, chemical products, and does this in a responsible way. OMV has three main pillars. So the exploration and production business, the refining and marketing business, as well as with Borealis, the chemicals and material business. I'm personally related to the exploration and production business. I'm working in production system optimization team, and I have been involved in the best day product development from the OMV side. So if we talk about how best day adds value to our daily work, so in producing oil and gas and providing energy to the market, we are thinking about optimizing our production on a daily basis as well. Yeah? If you, and personally myself as well, think about optimizing any production, it's about looking at the trend line of historical production and predicting the highest production capacity of today or in the future. Historically, this was a manual approach done by engineers like me. Yeah, so we basically gathered the data, built it also our models, run sensitivity analysis, identified deviations in order to classify in the last step deferments. This, to the fact, is very time consuming, and you spend a lot of time on actually identifying a deviation and not on the fact that you want to actually come rid of the deviation. So you want to come up with a specific engineering solution. This is where best day jumps in. So with its data-driven capacity algorithm, it automatically screens production systems within our E&P business, and it identifies best producing days in the history, runs a decline curve analysis based on that, and predicts our maximum production system capacity we could produce today or in the future. During that, it also identifies deviations, and these deviations can be used by engineers like me to then come up with a specific solution to bring back the production to our maximum production system capacity. We at OMV are using best day now for almost a year, and we backtested the whole procedure on our historical data. And what we found out is that we found 10 times higher 10 times more deviations than we actually had originally in place, which means that the system detects more deviations. Does not mean that it ends up in more work for us engineers. It means that we have the information at the early stage to start analyzing why this deviation happens, and then to come up with a solution to bring back the production faster. So when we are talking about how best day adds value on our daily business, we talk about workflow automation and also to improve our engineering response time. And this leads to the fact that we calculated a minimum of production increase of 0.5% for our production systems within OMV.